Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Seuss and I will be narrating this little video. Now in this video, Sally, Conrad, and Kat are trying to create hot ice. Not the boring kitchen way, but the real science way. Please, if you try recreating this experiment at home, be sure to have a trusted adult who knows what they're doing to assist you. Okay.
Hey Conrad, come over here. I want to try something and I need your help.
What's up?
It's an experiment to make hot ice.
Hot ice? Are you ballistic? Ice is cold, and when it's hot, it's not going to be ice anymore.
Oh genius, there's a way to make hot ice and I'll show you. See, it's so easy, even a kid can do it. The main materials are vinegar and baking soda.
Wow, Sally, that was cool. Let's do it.
Okay, get me these materials.
Ooh, that is boring.
Who was that?
I am indeed a cat, and this, indeed, is a hat. In English, cat, hat. In French, chapeau. It really is quite obvious, don't you know? In English, cat, hat. In French, chapeau. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Here we go.
I'm here to rescue you children from this boring kitchen experiment and take you somewhere to perform the more interesting and dangerous experiment.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Stop being so negative and let's go. That sounds awesome.
Do the thingamajigger! Okay, so this is very dangerous stuff. So remember, touch everything.
Jeez, you're so concerned with our safety, aren't you?
Yes, I am. So Conrad, Sally, put on your goggles. Okay, before we get started on our chemical reaction, we have to know a few key points first. So, here we have our overall reaction. We could say sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrogen acetate to make water and sodium acetate. And as you can see down here, we have our net ionic equation. These two ions combine to make water in a liquid state. And as you'll see later on in our procedure, we're going to have to boil and heat up the substance and solution that we make in order to get rid of the excess water that we create so that we can create purified sodium acetate. Now, all the materials we need are right here. Alright, this is distilled water. Do you know what this is?
Water?
This is glacial acetic acid. Unlike your normal kitchen vinegar, which is 5% vinegar and 95% water, glacial acetic acid is 100% vinegar. Sally, Conrad, you are my assistants. Sally, take this. What is it?
Glacial acetic acid.
And Conrad, take this. What is it?
Distilled water.
Yes. 60 milliliters of distilled water. How many milliliters of acetic acid?
60.
Alright, turn it on. Beautiful. Do you know what this is?
No.
This is sodium hydroxide. This is a very long process. My apologies. Who would like to do the honors of pouring the rest in? Careful now. It's going to be very exothermic. Do you know what exothermic means? Sally, you're supposed to be the genius.
Releasing heat.
Drop. Now, if your hand starts to burn, just think of something else. Do not take it out. Just kidding. I'm concerned with your safety. Continue. Now, we just leave it in there till we see a white precipitation until everything dissolves. Now, while we're waiting for that to heat up, let's go over some key points you should know. First, the reaction that we are doing right now is exothermic, meaning it is spontaneous. Exothermic is the release of heat. Next, we should talk about kinetics. So, though the reaction will take a while to get together and to get ready, the reaction itself and the crystallization only takes moments. And it only takes a little bit of the powder sodium acetate to create the crystallization. Now, what Sally, Conrad, and Kat are attempting to make in this video is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate is soluble and dissociates in water. And if you can recall from previous clips, we have water as a product. That is why they're heating it up right now, to evaporate that water and to make sure there's as little water as possible so we can make the sodium acetate as pure as possible. We finished heating it, and now it's in warm water so it can cool down. And then after, the crystallization begins. Oh, these are crystals that were left on the beaker when we were heating it up. So now, when we scraped off these crystals, we will put it into this flask right over here that we cooled down after heating it up. Sally will do the honors. Look at that crystallization. I don't know about you guys, but I am fascinated. Hope you guys learned your lesson. If you don't do it the dangerous and real way, you have no fun at all. You wanted to do it the boring way, the kitchen version. No, not when it comes to the Cat in the Hat. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching that little experiment. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Seuss, and I hope you tune in for our future segments.